7 healthy foods that are high in hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a compound found throughout your body. It plays a key position in lots of aspects of health, especially in relation to your skin, eyes, and joints. For example, studies show that it can lessen the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin hydration, texture, and elasticity. It may additionally support wound recovery and the treatment of dry eyes, acid reflux, and osteoarthritis. Your body can produce hyaluronic acid, but the compound is likewise available in oral supplements, injections, and topical products such as serums. In addition, you can get it from certain foods. Plus, some foods provide nutrients your body uses to boost hyaluronic acid production. Here are 7 healthy foods that are high in hyaluronic acid or its building blocks. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering the bones and connective tissue of animals in liquid for 12 to 48 hours. This results in a flavorful product that's rich in lots of nutrients, including hyaluronic acid. Bone broth additionally contains a good amount of protein, with about 10 grams in each 1 cup, 240 milliliter, serving. Additionally, it's a good source of the compounds proline, glutamine, chondroitin, and glucosamine. Proline and glutamine are types of amino acids, the building blocks of protein. They promote protein production in your body. Chondroitin and glucosamine support joint health. Plus, it's rich in collagen, a type of protein that has been shown to improve skin elasticity and hydration. 2. Oranges. Oranges don't contain hyaluronic acid, but they do contain naringenin. Naringenin is a flavonoid, a type of plant compound with potent antioxidant properties. It's additionally found naturally in other citrus fruits, tomatoes, and figs. Naringenin blocks the activity of hyaluronidase, an enzyme responsible for the breakdown of hyaluronic acid. Therefore, eating more oranges could help you keep healthy levels of hyaluronic acid in your body. Oranges also are low in calories and brimming with vitamin C, an essential micronutrient that doubles as a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C promotes the synthesis of collagen, the most abundant protein in your body, which is essential for the structure of your skin, muscles, hair, joints, and more. This vitamin additionally helps protect your skin from ultraviolet, UV, damage. 3. Tofu. While tofu doesn't contain hyaluronic acid, it's high in phytoestrogens, substances that mimic the effects of the hormone estrogen. Estrogen has been shown to increase levels of hyaluronic acid in the body to support skin health and prevent troubles such as dryness and wrinkles. Phytoestrogens from tofu and other soy products are believed to have similar effects. In fact, studies show that they will boost hyaluronic acid production, increase collagen levels, and protect against oxidative stress, which could help slow signs of aging. Tofu additionally provides a good amount of protein in each serving, along with several other key nutrients such as manganese, calcium, and selenium. 4. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that packs a powerful nutritional punch. Each serving of cooked kale supplies a hearty dose of fiber, vitamins A and K, calcium, copper, and manganese. It's additionally high in magnesium, an essential mineral that is involved in more than 300 enzymatic reactions in your body. Not only is magnesium needed for energy production, muscle function, and bone health, but it's additionally involved in hyaluronic acid production. Unfortunately, about half the U.S. population consumes less than the recommended amount of magnesium each day. Besides impairing hyaluronic acid production, this could negatively affect heart, bone, and mental health and may increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. 5. Almonds. Almonds are tree nuts popular for their rich flavor and versatility. They're additionally highly nutritious, with lots of protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats in each serving. Plus, they're loaded with magnesium, which supports skin health by increasing your body's production of hyaluronic acid. What's more, almonds are a great source of vitamin E, a micronutrient that helps neutralize harmful free radicals and combat oxidative stress. This can help speed up wound recovery and protect against skin damage. 6. Edamame. Edamame is a type of immature soybean. It's often boiled or steamed and served with a sprinkle of salt. Like tofu and other soy products, edamame contains phytoestrogens, which can increase your body's levels of hyaluronic acid. Edamame additionally provides manganese, which is needed to activate prolidase, an enzyme involved in collagen metabolism. Additionally, edamame is an excellent source of protein and can help you meet your needs for other important vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin C and K, and iron. 7. Sweet potatoes. It's no secret that sweet potatoes are incredibly nutritious, rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and manganese. They additionally provide plenty of magnesium in each serving, which enables your body to produce hyaluronic acid efficiently. Sweet potatoes additionally contain a wide array of antioxidants that help prevent oxidative cell damage and chronic disease. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are brimming with beta-carotene, a compound that has been shown to relieve inflammation, neutralize dangerous free radicals, and protect against skin harm and sunburns. The bottom line: hyaluronic acid is a compound that your body produces and that is additionally found in lots of foods and supplements. It may benefit skin health, inflammation, and conditions such as acid reflux, dry eyes, and osteoarthritis. Adding bone broth to your diet is a great way to increase your intake of hyaluronic acid. Plus, foods such as soy products, oranges, almonds, kale, and sweet potatoes provide nutrients that may naturally ramp up your body's synthesis of hyaluronic acid.